welcome to my space. This is a Power BI dashboard created to bring out the performance rating spanning across different cities, segments, and regions. And as we all know, dashboard explains and bring out where a business is lacking, where it needs to improve, where it is improving. All this all together bring out the productivity and drive efficiency in the company. The number one factor we'll look at is the profit, which is this is 286,000. The sales is 2.3 million. The quantity, the sum of the quantity is 38,000, and the discount is 1.5 thousand. Now we go into those are the mentioned KPIs we just listed out. So we go into the analysis in full. This is the best performing state, which is New York. We have the total profit by category. The total profit by category, the highest category by profit is technology. As we all know, is technology. And the profit in technology is 145,000, followed by the sales, 836,000, followed by the quantity, the numbers of quantity, 6,939. So everything we click on in this dashboard, this interactive dashboard, will affect every other information embedded in it. So as we are seeing it here, the office supplies, if we click on it now, it will show us everything pertaining to the information of office supply in the data set. So this is a chart used to explain every intricacies and details of a particular information. If you go into the category, furniture category, if you click on it, you will see that the best performing state in furniture is New York. The best performing state in technology is New York as well. And the best performing state in office supply is as well New York. So that means that New York has the highest margin of sales as regards all um, all categories. So now we move to the interquartile range. One thing most people don't understand about interquartile range is it deals with quarters. As we all know, we have each quarter for each particular year, and there are 4 quarters in a year. The quarter one, which involves 3 months, the second quarter 3 months, the third quarter 3 months, the fourth quarter 3 months. As we all see here, we have 4 regions, and the meaning of interquarter range is the third quarter minus the first quarter minus the third quarter. So it's Q3 minus Q1. Q3 minus Q1. As we can see here, the West has the highest interquarter range, which is on 196.37, as we can see here. So when we click on the West, as well, we could see the interquartile range. Then we move to the decomposition tree. This decomposition tree explains better to us how the attributes of a particular entity we are working on, which is quantity, can be splitted and explained in other sectors. As we can see here, is quantity we are basing our analysis on. So we have that the highest quantity per segment is the consumer. I hope you understand. The highest quantity by segment here is the consumer. You understand? So which has 5,347 quantity per consumer in the consumer segment. So when we move from the consumer here, we could see the arrows explaining the charts and the decomposition. We could see that in each city, the highest city that has more quantity is Woodland in America, which is 2. I hope you understand, which is 2. So if we want to know the total sales of woodland, the total profit of woodland, the total quantity of woodland, the total discount of woodland in the whole dashboard is just at one click. Then we click on it here. We click on it here. It shows us that the total profit in woodland derived by the organization is 24. The sales is 239. The quantity is 2, as we can see here. As we can see here, the quantity is 2. Then the discount is 0.20. So interactive dashboard actually explains various things. They are interwoven. Is a wireframe of content and derivative from the data sets explained inside a dashboard. So a dashboard explains everything pertaining pertaining to the organization in accordance to what we are given to work on. If we look at corporate own as well, the corporate segment, we want to know the profit of corporate segment. We click on it, we could see that the total profit is 91, the sales is 706. So this and more explains everything about an interactive dashboard and how data analysis work. Thank you very much.